Hello guys, this is Jazzy again, jazzing up or renovating this console TV cabinet. It's really needs some work because as you see the wood is damaged and there's a lot of scratches. So, and it needs to be sand. So I'm going to be prepping this and then paint it white, and the top would be a different color. And let me show you the front of it. So this is how it looks, and the glass is, both cabinet doors are broken, so I have to really work on it and then show you in a little bit how it will look. For now I'm gonna be sanding it and prepping it before I paint it. Okay, as you can see, I already sanded. Now I have to dust it off, make sure all the dust comes off, because before you paint it you have to make sure all that goes off before you start painting. So it's already ready. All I have to do is dust it off. Now if you pass your hand on it, you'll feel it smooth, so it's ready to be painted. But first, take off all that dust from sanding off the furniture. So now I have dusted it all. Now I decided that I'm gonna go with white at the bottom, on all bottom part of the cabinet. I'm gonna do a white color, which is like this. I just stirred it already, so it's ready to be used. So the bottom part of it will be white, and I'm gonna think about a different color that I previously did another a dresser, a different color. So this is what I'm gonna do with this TV console. Okay, as you can see, I still have a lot to do. I haven't finished. I'm putting the first coat, and I still have the next half of it or more to do. So I'm still working on it, and as soon as I'm finished painting the first coat and doing the second coat, I'll show you how it looks. So far it's coming along. I did this side already, but it still needs another coat of paint, but it's coming along. So guys, this is the outcome of the TV console that I'm refreshing a little bit. So so far I've done it all white, and I primed the top because I'm gonna be using silver on the top. This is the silver, and also the tiles. I also showed you the tiles that it had. And I primed it white because I really want the silver to pop out. So that's what I've done so far. So now I'm gonna be doing the very top of it, so you can see it. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So it's coming along. It just takes a lot of work because this one I even painted the inside of the dress of the console, sorry. So the console has all the white inside, as you can see, and even the top. The top I primed it white because, again, like I said, I want the silver to pop out once I paint it. Okay guys, I tried the silver, and as you can see, I finished the silver on top, but I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna change it to a darker color so my white paint from the bottom part of the TV console pops out. Because the tiles, probably I'll do the silver, but the top will be like a gray charcoal darker color, so it pops out. So again, I'm learning as I go, and so can you. So let me continue. I did the tiles silver in the front. These tiles right here, they're silver, and it needs to dry. And the top, I did it silver too, but I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna darken the top to come out like a wood color. So for now, I need for it to dry and then sand it and paste the wood color, but it's almost there. So far it's looking good, but it needs to dry now. So I like the darker color that will make the white pop out on the TV console. So let's see how that goes. That's the way, and I'm using a sponge. And this is the way we all learn, you know. You test the colors, and if you don't like it, you wait for it to dry and just sponge this on another color that you want. And I use a sponge, and it's a regular kitchen sponge to wash dishes. And you just dry rub it back and forth. Now I like the finished look of this one, which is darker, and that makes the cabinet, the console TV cabinet, stick out. So this is how it looks right now. I still have some more things to do with it, putting in the knobs, and then it'll be all finished. But this is it. Hello everyone, this is the end result of my do-it-yourself refreshener for a living room console or even a bedroom. It's a multi-purpose use, and I repainted it and give it a fresh look. This is the end result, and it's all finished, and I hope you like it. And if you have subscribed to my channel, take a look at the video and click the like button. Thanks for watching. And again, this is the end result of it.